2 weeks ago, we filled in plastic pots with new potting soil. Now I'm getting what appears to be a fungus and mushrooms. What happened and how should they be treated? This is Danny from Memphis, Tennessee. So can we help Danny out?
We help Danny out.
All right,
Danny.
let's help him out.
I had the same problem Danny had, but not flower pot. I had it in my flower bed.
I did too as well.
And that's slime mold. You see a lot of slime mold that get into that special organic material.
Right.
At the beginning, especially fresh organic material, it'll begin to do that, and it's not causing any harm to the plant and nothing like that. Because I had it in my flower bed, and that's why it don't get hard. It'll get hard and kind of look different. Because when I first saw it, I thought, what this is? but in there, so you can just get you a shovel, something, just get it out of there.
Just rake it
out of there. Then turn your soil back over. And that's why it'll soon go away. But he got slime mold that in his flower pot.
Slime mold. Another name is dog vomit.
Dog vomit. That's what I thought it was. Something like that. Yeah.
That can grow on mulch. You know, I had that in my own landscape. Yeah, but it'll dry up.
It'll dry up. Yeah.
Rake it.
And sometimes you see it on side, get on the plant and stem, and but it do that. But it's just slime mold, and it's not causing any harm to that.
Harmless to the plants, to the pets, and to us.
To us, yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.